Hello, today we're gonna replant our plants that we already planted in our garden.
Yes, this is, what's your name?
Emily.
And I'm Michelle over at Gardens and Chickens. My goal is to start posting regularly on YouTube, and I've got my little planting assistant, and we are going to replant our fall garden that got taken out by the Arctic frost. So let's... True. Yep. Let's go show them our seeds.
We're gonna do carrots, broccoli, and cabbage. Right? Hello, I'm Sophia, and today we are going to re-sow our gold hardy annuals.
Yep. So we're going to do straw flower, bachelor buttons,
and poppies.
So when starting from seed, you're going to want to read the seed packet for instructions, but in general,
the smaller the seed, the smaller the hole.
If you have young garden helpers that want to help you out in the garden, poppy seeds are the perfect one for them to start with. Those seeds just need to be broadcast spread all over the surface. Other great seeds for little fingers are your brassicas, your kales, your cabbages, things like that this time of year, and pelleted seeds. The pelleted seeds are a little bit pricier, but they're such a game changer for little fingers. Otherwise,
these are the hardest carrots I ever done.
I'm not here to romanticize gardening with children because trust me, it can get frustrating, but hopefully these tips can help you and your family get out into the garden more.
And that's how you plant a garden.